Playing this game with my sister. It's kind of like Mario Kart. Here's the theme song thing.
Viva Welcome to the picturesque island of Piñata!
Home of the most giddy, sensational sporting event in piñata history, the Party Animals Championship Challenge! Here, piñatas compete for fun,
Fame,
and fear of being sent to a party!
like a party animal! Like a party animal! Like a party animal! Like a party animal! Let's go up and up to box! What's inside the house? Delicious candy and large amounts! So Thursday can take a swing! Do the piñata thing! Come to the place where party is king! Party animals! Viva Piñata! Party animal!
Are you gonna play the game?
A ragtag bunch of characters. Oh well, pick one.
You've got taste.
I am Hudson Horstachio. It's a way to flex your picture. Don't be the same person as me. My sister's taking like 5 hours to choose a character.
Now play nice, children.
Here's one of the races. We're on short, so it shouldn't take that long. There's only 3 races and one thing in between each race.
Well, yeah, welcome to another wonderful episode of Viva Piñata Party Animals!
It's a spectacular day for an adventure-filled race around Piñata Island, Pierre. I'm here with the contestants now. Let's take a look at what's ahead for them. What a fantastic race we've got planned.
What can you tell us about the track conditions?
Well, I've flown over the beach, through the jungle, and into the hills. And boy, are my arms tied. The sky is clear, the water's gorgeous, and I've even spotted a shortcut in the village.
What can you tell us about the contestants?
It's too early to tell who's going to be the winner today, Fancy Feathers. They're a ragtag bunch if I ever saw them. I'm amazed they even got to the start line in one piece.
All right, it looks like we're about to get started. Good luck, everyone!
Only girl.
3, 2, 1, go!
I forgot how, oh yeah.
How do you?
I forgot how to move. I haven't played this game in so long. How do you use this stuff again?
Oh dear.
Oh, it's X. X.
What? Where are you going?
Are you wearing your glasses today?
No, apparently not.
Stay on the track, you candy collecting buffoon!
What a sorry state of affairs.
Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of it again.
Weeks of therapy to recover.
What a scoop. Lawrence Fizzly Bear just won the race. final score?
You got first place. Oh. I got third.
Yes, I've just been told that the challenge event is ready for action.
I've just been told that our ratings are better than ever.
Yep. So what are we supposed to do?
And song. Hooray! Look, pretty balloons, all the colors of the rainbow.
Come on! Wow! Let's see the result.
And here are the results.
I totally failed.
Nothing can stop me now! Nothing!
There's no time for celebrations just yet, Becky. There's another race to start.
Oh, goody.
Welcome back, everyone. Our contestants now face another grueling challenge as they leave the jungle and enter the town.
Danger and excitement are found at every turn, with spectacular jumps, dramatic train crashes, and more weapons than you can shake a whacking stick at. This course has it all.
And what about our contestants? Are they ready for action?
Well, I think ready would be putting it generously. I haven't seen a more out-of-shape bunch since last week's caramel apple eating contest. Still, they're full of sugar and ready to run.
Okay, let's not delay.
There's two boys.
Hooray!
I'm clumsy today.
Who put this obstacle here? Going to get messy.
Just the way our viewers want it.
Here comes trouble.
Duck and cover, see? I hope nobody gets hurt.
Speak for yourself.
Woo! I got first! Woo!
Be one Hudson Horse statue.
What is the final score? Oh.
You have to start now. Okay, Better hurry up.
Okay, now that this race is finished, let's cross straight to the challenge event.
Remember, full match highlights in tomorrow's piñata yada yada.
You can do it at the races, because I have to press A at the races. Oh, I have to press A on this too. Do you have to go to the bathroom?
Disparaissons! Who did it? Oh, it's too much!
You have to be happy with
Yeah,
that.
I got first! Woo!
The final score.
Hudson Ostachio is currently winning. For now. Wow, what a great result! Now let us get back to the racing action.
And I'll get back to ignoring your yammering.
Our last race.
Oh, bonjour! You are just in time for another great Viva Piñata Party Animals race! Vicky, what kind of daunting dangers, terrible traps, and horrible hazards await our contestants?
Well, there's some horrible coffee on sale at the cafe.
No giant crocodiles in the river? No trapdoors in the tunnels? No monsters running through the streets?
Nope, it's a slow news day.
Well, our contestants are ready now. Let us see if they can make some action!
3, 2, 1, go!
Avoid the pollen left behind by the pollinators.
I hope nobody gets hurt.
Speak for yourself. It's about time I got this.
No! No! Yes!
Well, of course
I just
won.
barely
I
got
started the show,
first.
you know.
Let's see what the final score from this event is.
What a great race! Now let us see how the contestants perform in the challenge event.
Oh boy, it's a non-stop roller coaster around here.
Disparaissons!
How unfortunate. Oh well. Keep